In this video, we're going to focus on how to modify the image width and height in the canvas. So far, we have this image from the previous video. And then what I want to do now is I want to start modifying it. For example, I want to extend the width of it or the height of it or both. And of course, I want to maybe reduce it. So this is a very common method. So what we're going to do here is we're going to scroll down here and we're going to focus on this specific part here. So far we had this here, and then we had the X and Y coordinates. So next what we have here is the following, which is basically the width and the height coordinates. So with those two, which are optional, we can do again something wonderful. So let's go to, I'll just copy this, put it in here, comment this out, and then here we could say, for example, we have there the position, and then maybe we want this very small. So very common is that you want to make maybe a watermark somewhere in the corner, somewhere small. So let's make this one small. Let's say we're going to put this on 30 pixels by 30 pixels. If I save that, refresh, you can see here what is happening. It starts to scale down the image into its size here. Of course, if you use an SVG file, which is also very good, where you can just grab that specific file, and then we can just, it will scale large or small in a nice way instead of pixelated. So with the PNG, this is not possible because PNG are more pixelated once we scale them up. So let's increase this. You will see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's make this 1000 pixels by 1000. Save that. Refresh. You can see here now, because it's so large, it becomes very pixelated. Alright, so what I want to show you is, for example, what happened if I have a SVG file. So we say chartjs. I have a other item here, which is a chartjs logo, SVG. That's this specific image here. So let me grab this one now, and you will see that this will work very nicely. I'm going to save that, put it in there, and then refresh here, and there you are. You can see now we have scaled this up tremendously, but it is very, very sharp. So the image is very clear and very crisp. So this is the very important difference here with the SVG and the PNG or JPEG file. SVG is very scalable, while the other files are not. Of course, this is very important. In the next video, we're going to work with clipping, and then SVG. Clipping with SVG is not recommended because it will not work the way you expect it to work compared to PNG and a JPEG file.